going on, my YouTube friends? Man, I hope everybody's having a great day. It's a little chilly today. I mean, you know, hoodie weather. But man, what a nice day. You know what I'm saying? Anyhow, I got a lot of stuff done in the garage today. I've been cleaning up, throwing things away, getting things put away, you know, because I've been cleaning on this Fairmont, and I'm pretty close to start maybe throwing some primer and that on it. So I figured, hey, I'm just gonna take today and I'm gonna clean up, and then I'll continue on the bottom of the Fairmont. So let me show you what I got done around here, and hope you enjoy it. My fruits of my labor. Yeah, but anyhow, so I got a lot of things. I get this countertop. I put that table I had up here in the middle. I put that away and everything, cleaned that up. Put my tools and everything away. So did a lot of moving around, trying to get things done. I got a little place over there I can start charging my drills and everything else. So let me get this turned around. So this is what I got. I got rid of the table. The rear end's still there. I'm gonna need some help getting that moved, but I don't need to move it right now. I can just cover that up. But you know, I've been working on the bottom of Fairmont, been scrubbing and cleaning and all this good stuff and everything. I got that counter and everything all cleaned up, things put away, you know, got that engine uncovered. I'm really just gonna try to sell this engine because I know I'm putting an aftermarket block and stuff in it. That's a 302, I'm going with a Windsor, so that's why that's cleaned off. I took some pictures of that today, and I am gonna get her sold. Hey, it's got to be worth a couple $100 anyhow because it's a 71 block. Actually, they use that 71 block up through 74, so it's 71 through 74. I'm not sure exactly what date it is, but it's not older than a 71. It's not newer than a 74. So that should be worth a couple $100 going to the fund for the Fairmont. So got everything cleaned up, vacuumed up. Got that bench pretty much cleaned up. Yeah, there's my little charging spot for my batteries and stuff like that. Yeah, that's a mess up there. Fairmont interior parts. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man. Stereo, yeah. Rock and roll while you're working on your stuff. Yeah, getting ready to throw that box and stuff away. So, yeah, I've got things going on here. Big Suzuki. So I got all this cleaned up, put away. Still got these buckets and stuff to do. But I mean, I got right here, so I can get a little charging system going here, so that way I can keep my stuff charged for my jump box, my other jump box, and my drills and everything else. Get everything together. So yeah, and most important, I fired up my little heater today, so that way we can keep the garage warm, because like I said, today's hoodie weather. So anyhow, I'm thinking about taking this light and moving it down over the top of that bench show down there, because that's probably where I'll be mixing my paint and everything, so I can get ready to prime the bottom of this, get it all straightened up. So I just figured I'd let you guys know what's happening. You know, fan and everything I don't use is over in that corner. And yeah, buddy, we're getting her together. All right, let me get this turned around. I just figured I'd let you know what's going on. I'm just starting to get prepared for the things for the wintertime and to get this thing going, because I got to bring my four-wheeler back in here because I can put the plow so I can plow the snow and stuff in the wintertime, because once we shut the Shelby up in the other garage, the she garage, my wife's garage, we won't be opening that back up. So she's going to cover her ramp, and she's got it all figured out. So I don't want to mess with that in the wintertime. We'll just leave it alone. It's her baby, right? Yeah, buddy. Happy wife, happy life. Don't ever forget that. So anyhow, I got the heater fired up today. It's on low, so it's not, you know, it's warm in here, but it's not too warm. But I just wanted to blow it all out, make sure it's all cleaned out good and everything, and then slap her in, because we're going to need some heat this winter, I believe, because they're saying we're supposed to have a lot of snow. But usually when they say that, we don't ever get any. So, hey, you know what I mean? And guys, I want you guys to do me a favor. I want you to go over and check this guy out. His name's Robert White. He ain't got very many subscribers, but I think he's just starting out, because he's got some snowmobile videos where he's redoing snowmobiles and stuff like that. He's got a Mustang and that. So get over there and check him out, man. I mean, seems like a really nice guy. He always comments on all my stuff. So get over there and check him out. Tell him I sent you, so that way we can get him some subscribers, because I think he's starting to enjoy doing videos, you know. So anyhow, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are totally awesome. And thanks for stopping by and watching my no nonsense video today. Yeah, buddy. By the way, I'm going to put Robert White's link down there in the descriptions below so you can go check him out. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I was in a rush. Yeah.